Hi, I'm a new patient of Dr. Lim's. I moved here recently, the Los Angeles area from the Midwest, um, and I Googled. Was looking for a chiropractor who could help take care of my knee problems. I've had knee problems, muscle adhesions, meniscus problems for the past 5 to 10 years. When I came to Dr. Lim, I couldn't even roll over in bed without pain. I had difficulty driving, and we all know what a Los Angeles traffic is like. I had trouble just standing and walking, being vertical. And I've been really pleased. Dr. Lim uses not only Graston, but something called PEMF. It's PEMF therapy. It's magnetic therapy. And it has been very effective in breaking down the muscle adhesions, giving me mobility, and on top of it, she gives a really good spinal adjustment. And to meet her, she's very petite, but I'm telling you, she is strong. I'm a large woman, she is not, but she is very strong, very confident, very capable, and compassionate. And you really feel that she has a joy for her work. So I would highly recommend coming here. I have been in chiropractic care for over 30 years, and I feel very at home here. Thank you.